What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today I'm here at work on my lunch break, but I just wanted to get this video out to you guys. In my previous video I installed the VRSF Midpipe. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys go and check that out if you guys want to see a little bit of the install process. So I promised you guys that I would do some sound clips of what it sounds like. So that's what we're going to show you guys today. I also, along with the GTS Roar cold start and the OEM cold start, I also went ahead and removed the cold start and the GTS Roar. That way when my car starts up, it's pretty quiet. You just have to remember to warm up your car sufficiently before you drive it. And I just did that because I don't really want to wake up my neighbors. I kind of feel bad. It's pretty loud with the GTS Roar and then the OEM like cold start. So I took that off. One of the great things about tuning your car on Bootmod 3, I'm also on stage 1. Other than that, I just have engine intakes, the VRSF Midpipe, stock downpipes, so the cats are there, and then the stock muffler. Overall, I'm really happy with this midpipe. It sounds really good for the price. It's one of the cheapest. I'm really happy. The quality is good. The install was easy, and it sounds great. I'm still not sure if I'm gonna go with downpipes or not. If I do, it's definitely gonna be resonated because I want to keep the rasp of the S55 down, and with this midpipe, it really helped that out. It sounds a lot cleaner. I'll let you guys see for yourself and see what you think. If you guys have any questions, make sure to leave a comment. If you guys are new, just make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I'm getting so close to 1,000 subscribers. I'm trying to reach that by the end of the year. I appreciate you guys so much. Drop a like as well for all you other guys. You guys have been killing it on that, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Enjoy this video.